Earlier today, I've had a video where I showcase how to make $20. This one I want to showcase how to make probably $50. This will be my last trade for this session. The plan is to make $50, and I think I've even made more than that. So I may have to pause and wait for it to come back. Okay, the trade took a long time, almost 3 minutes. I've had different distractions. So that's a trade. I just won that trade. Although it took almost 3 minutes because I had a lot of distraction. Even while I paused the thing, I was having so many calls coming in. Now, let me show you the profit table so that you get to understand that you can be doing this every day. Now, the $5 is the session I had for the $20, while the $10 is the session I have for the $50. Now you can get to see it one. From there, you can get to count by yourself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's $50. And I was trading with $100. For the session of the $50, $20, I was trading with just $50. So this was possible with the use of TMNmedia trading strategy. The signal works. It works fantastic, and I've just been able to make altogether almost like $70. So, but for this session, it's just $50. So $50 times 400, for instance, that's 20,000 naira. Is it possible for you to be making 10,000 naira every day in less than 30 minutes, 1 hour? Is it possible for you to be making 20,000 naira every day? If you're making 20,000 naira every day, in 10 days, you will make 200k. And in 20 days, you will make 400k. So you can get to be making over $500,000 every month. $500,000 every month. It is very, very possible. Now, it's all signal galore. Okay, I'd like to also probably maybe show the signal set up so that you can get to see from my system. This phone, I have this phone from signal availability. You can see there, you can see them there. Those are the signals, and you can see on the chart. That's the signal you're seeing. That's the signal. Those are the signals that I just traded on a shorter time frame. You need to understand: is this thing possible? Is it? Yes, it is. Now, if you're wondering, the one I made earlier today, I think I've collected it. Now, this one is $50. People are going to make withdrawals, they're going to make deposits, buy and stuff. And I'm going to collect my money. I don't hesitate to collect. I appreciate the small ones, even more than the big ones. You need to understand this. This works for everybody. Okay, one more, because